Hey, it's me, I'm back. Second blog. I'm actually here downtown, right next to the river. It's amazing. And I picked this spot to blog because of the fact that you can see behind me, it's the Railroad Museum. And one of the last really good memories that I had of him and I is that we came down here, and he loves trains. He loves everything. He's so smart, and he's like a sponge. He soaks it up. And there's so much stuff to see, and he was only 2, and he was running around here, and he just wanted to touch everything. And we bought him a present. And the present that we got him was a snap together train track with its own little ongoing train, and he just loved that thing to pieces. The reason why I'm bringing it up is because I have it. I'm going to bring it with me on the trip. The trip is off to a slow start. Things always kind of happen to get in the way, and you either go with it or you go against it, and we all know what happens when you go against it. So the plan was to leave today. I am going to look into some research and just try to see if I can't find somebody legal and licensed and reliable or honest for that matter, and somebody that could maybe lead me in the right direction, because I have no idea what the laws are down there in Florida. Again, I'm just going to make a quick flight trip there, check it out, get to see my boy, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to again tape and record everything, so you out there that are going through the same thing or can reach out to me and let me know what I'm doing wrong, what I need to do better, what I'm lacking. And same thing applies, like where you're at in your situation. This is something that, again, is huge, like I said before, and we need to band together. People, you gotta get this. The power of prayer is so amazing. And if we had more people, like not just here, but there and everywhere together, praying for these children. I have heard the worst things lately, and I am like very lucky to still be here. And those that know me and or are familiar with what I'm talking about know what I'm talking about. My son Dylan, he died when he was 2 weeks old. God bless his soul. He's on my back. I wear him, and I feel him on me every day. He's leading me. I know he's leading me in this right direction. I feel good about it. It's been 2 years. I'm freaking out. Like, how bad is he, What does he look like? The last time I was able to come across any kind of anything, because I get nothing from the father. Nothing, although I have visitation rights and I'm allowed to see him. He's supposed to drive him down here 3 times a year. I can fly to Florida as much as possible. I have my court papers with me. He's way down in there, and I'm just hearing about all this sex trafficking now. This is a world that I have never been a part of, and it scares the living shit out of me. But I also believe in God, and I believe in good versus evil. And I know that this guy can't keep walking around doing what he's doing, or all of these other mother effers doing what they're doing to our kids, taking them from us. And we're supposed to do what? Nothing? We're supposed to just lay down and not think about it? Are you kidding me? You know what? I found this paper. It's very, very interesting. It basically describes everything I'm going through. Well, I'm at the last stages. I'm not sure where you're at in the process. It's called Mothers of Lost Children. It's MOLC. It's basically, it's got the events, the stories, contacts, good resources, that kind of thing. Mine is the late stage. Yeah, I'm basically saying that my child now is in the full custody of the abuser. The tragedy and devastation of the situation is beyond words. This explains it to the T. You have now entered into a surreal state that only people whose family members are hostages or prisoners of the war can fully understand. The impossible twist for you is that it was done legally, in the U.S., and in front of everybody. The transcripts are there for all to see. I gotta put this one extra in because you know that there are other people that you think you trust, that are your friends, that are always around. They're not your friends, I'm gonna tell you right now. They're all not your friends. The police, the reports, the evaluators, the therapists, testimony, and medical evidence are in plain view. I think they fell through the cracks, personally. Yet your child is being legally raped and or beaten, and I know that he's being both because I saw a Facebook picture of him and there were bruises up and down his legs. His thumb was purple. My God. You may be on supervised visits and have to pay a monitor for humiliating visits, which I did. I remember that. That was fun. I had 3 visits, and he told me, just so you know, he may not want to get out of the car. Whoa, buddy, you're supposed to be encouraging this behavior. It was so freaking backwards. I can't even... Your family and friends keep thinking you did something wrong. You haven't told them everything. Have you heard that? Oh my God, that doesn't sound right. No, that's wrong. You continue to beat your head against the legal system with appeals, affidavits, motions, and more hearings. You continue to go from agency to agency looking for help. You feel like, and I'll let you fill in the blank. You feel like what? What do you feel like? Anyway, I am trying to get on a plane, and I am going to keep you posted. Again, I wanted to blog from down here because this is the place where I brought my baby boy, and he loved it. He had a good time playing on the train tracks. And then there's a park over there. It's so pretty here, it really is. And then you can see downtown Sac right there. Anyway, over and out. It's me, and I'll be back soon. Please respond. Let me know that you're getting this, that it's getting out. It took me like 2 days to try to download that last one, so let me know that you at least are getting this and what you think, okay?